Hello everyone, welcome back to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to explain about APSC CCE Prelims Notification 2023. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and be a part of our YouTube family. Don't skip, watch the video till the end. Let's see the overview of this notification. The organization which has provided this notification is Assam Public Service Commission and the exam name is Combined Competitive Examination, and there are 793 vacancies in this notification. And while looking to the important dates, application starting date is 26th December 2022 and you can apply till 26th January 2023. Mode of application is online and the job location is Assam. Official website for this notification is apsc.nic.in. Last date for payment of the prescribed fees is 28th January 2023. Tentative date for preliminary exam is 26th March 2023. And while looking to the vacancies, total there are 793 vacancies in this notification and they are categorized by different types of posts. Let's see the eligibility criteria and educational qualifications. The candidate must hold a degree from any of the universities incorporated by an act of central or state legislature in India or other educational institutions established by an act of parliament or declared to be deemed as an university under section 3 of the University Grants Commission Act 1956 or possesses such qualification as may be declared equivalent by the government. A candidate should be able to speak Assamese or another official language or associate official languages of the state or any of the tribal languages of the state. The candidate should be registered in a district employment office of Assam. Candidate must be an original inhabitant of Assam. Candidate must possess the above prescribed qualification on the date of submission of their application. Let's see the salary details. Selected candidates will be paid of 22,000 rupees to 97,000 rupees per month and a grade pay of 9,100 rupees. This is for PB3, and for PB4 a pay scale of 30,000 rupees to 7,10,000 rupees per month and a grade pay of 13,300. To get the detailed scale of pay related to each and every post, you can download the official notification which has provided in the description. Let's see the age limit. The candidate should not be less than 21 years and should not exceed 38 years as on 1st January 2022. While looking to the selection process, the combined competitive examination consists of two successive stages. First one is preliminary exam and then main exam. Preliminary exam contains two papers. Each paper contains 200 marks and time duration for each paper is 2 hours. While looking to the main examination consists of two sections, written examination and an interview test. The written examination consists of 6 papers of conventional essay type or objective type with limited words. Marks obtained in the interview for the personality test shall be counted for ranking. Let's see the application fees. Application fees for general or EWS is 297.20 paise and for SC, ST, OBC, MOBC they have to pay 197 rupees 20 paise and for BPL, PWBD women candidates have to pay 47 rupees 20 paise for the application fees. Candidates who are willing to download the official notification, link has been provided in the description. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.